Before I get cracking, I need to do a bit of good old legal yapping. I'm no financial advisor, and if you came here looking for financial advice, well, you've landed in the wrong place. This is meant solely for education and entertainment, mate. If this is your first time here, my name is Guy, and crypto is why I'm here. So, lend me your ear. Here at the Coin Bureau, we keep you up to date with the best content on the block. Coins, news, tokens, reviews, anything to make your knowledge run hot. Now, I know that time is of the essence, which is why I've broken up the video timeline into different sections. Feel free to skip around to the part you'd like to know more about. Use it sparingly though, because I share a lot of golden tips, and I would hate for you to miss out. Okay, so what is Enjin? Well, the way I like to think about it is that it's an NFT issuance platform dedicated to the improvement of the gaming ecosystem as a whole. Now, technically speaking, Enjin is a software that gives users and developers the ability to create and manage virtual in-game assets on the Ethereum blockchain. The idea here is that by using blockchain technology to manage digital items across many different properties, Enjin can help reduce the high gas fees and mitigate issues when it comes to the transfer of virtual in-game goods and NFT collectibles. With that in mind, Enjin has released a number of software development kits, or SDKs, to allow users to both create digital assets on Ethereum and integrate them seamlessly into games and dApps. All minted assets on Enjin are fully customizable to fit the particular utility, aesthetic, and functionality of the desired platform. They're also recorded in a smart contract, enriching these virtual items with all the advantages of blockchain technology: speed, immutable transactions, and network security. Now, central to the management of the digital assets on Enjin's development platform is the ENJ token, and each in-game asset minted on Enjin is assigned a specific value in ENJ. But more on that later. Now, Enjin was originally founded in 2009 by Maxim Blagov and Vitek Radomski, who are currently Enjin's CEO and CTO, respectively. Since founding, they've grown their first product, the Enjin network, to over 20 million gamers worldwide. Headquartered in Singapore, Enjin is a for-profit company built as a community gaming platform which focuses on bringing NFT technology to in-game assets and to the global gaming community. To date, the Enjin ecosystem has raised a total of $61.9 million over 4 funding rounds, spearheaded by top-tier VCs and blockchain entrepreneurs. Enjin raised a total of $23 million during its initial coin offering, which it held in October of 2017, with its pre-sale in September selling out at a whopping 38.8 thousand ETH, or approximately $12 million at the time. In October of 2019, the venture arm of blockchain.com became the first equity investor to take a stake in Enjin. However, the amount raised was not disclosed. Fast forward to March of 2021, Enjin secured a $19 million venture round led by heavyweight VCs Hashed Ventures, DFG Group, Block Tower, and Fenbushi Capital, among others, to build a Polkadot-based blockchain dedicated specifically for NFTs, which we'll come back to in a bit. Thanks so much for watching, folks, and I'll see you all very soon. This is Guy bidding you goodbye.